Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify conversion tracking for Microsoft Ads. What we're doing in this tutorial, we're going to connect your Shopify store with Microsoft Ads using the UET tag. This tag tells Microsoft which clicks actually converted into a purchase, so your ads can optimize properly. Without this, you might be wasting money, so let's fix that. First, open a new tab and go to ads.microsoft.com. Log into your account or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Inside the dashboard, go to the left side panel and find Conversions. Hover over it, then click on UET tag. If you don't have one yet, you can go ahead and create a new one. Add a tag name and a description. Then select an industry. You are going to install the tag yourself, so click on this. Click Next. Then enable Content Mode. And as you can see here, Microsoft Ads has now generated a JavaScript code. Copy the entire block or click on Copy Tag because we're going to install this inside Shopify. Then go to your Shopify admin. On the online store, click on Themes. And on the Edit Theme button, there will be a 3-dot button right next to it. Click on this. Then click on Edit Code. Look for a drop-down that says Layout right here. Click on it. And go to Theme.liquid. Then press Ctrl F to search for the head. Then click on the Next Match button right here to look for the head closing element. It should be this one. Then, I want you to paste the JavaScript code in this line. There we go. Then click Save. This installs your tracking code across your whole Shopify store. Then go back to your Shopify admin. Go to Settings. And click on the Checkout tab. Scroll down, and in the Advanced Preferences, there should be an option here that would say something like Additional Script. In that additional scripts, click on it. There, you will paste your purchase event code. This will run only on the Thank You page, which is where the purchase is confirmed. Microsoft will use Shopify's dynamic variables like order ID, total price, currency, to track accurate revenue. Then lastly, you can go ahead and click Save on that. Now for the testing part, let's go back to this Microsoft Ads tab, click on Next, and click on Done. To make sure everything works, you should install the Microsoft UET Tag Helper browser extension. Do a test checkout on your store, and on the Thank You page, open the extension to confirm the tag is working properly. If the UET Tag Helper detects the tag, then your conversion tracking is working. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.